Okay, so I'm finally going to open it. Came in a bag like this with their signature white flower right here, and then this one, their ribbon. And then the sales person also gave me a little gift. It came in a small Chanel bag with their signature ribbon. It's just sample perfumes. Coco Chanel, their sample lipstick. It's kind of like this. Sample perfumes, small ones. And then she also gave me cream. Let's see what it is. This is the one. It's just a cream, face cream. So that's the little gift that she gave me. And then the box, it's super heavy. It was wrapped like this, like a white paper bag. And then it was wrapped in their signature ribbon with the flower again there. When I first got my first Chanel bag, the box wasn't like this. It was more like a I don't know, like a cheap cardboard. I got it from South Coast. Oh no, I didn't get it from South Coast. I got it from Wynn in Las Vegas. But it wasn't like this. This is so much better. It was like magnetic. And then you open it. It's like wrapped with more paper. And then the dust bag, the dust bag it came with. I am so not used to doing videos. I used to do a lot of videos, but it's like this one. It's wrapped again with more paper. There's a lot of paper. There's even, I'm thinking this is like the receipt or authentication maybe, or I don't know. But it came with a cloth. She said, this is not like your Speedy bag that you can put a lot of stuff and you only use this cloth to clean it. So yeah, she saw me using my Speedy bag and just have everything. I have everything in there, you guys. And then there's even a Chanel sticker. Oops. I already ruined the paper. Oh well. Let's just ruin the paper. Oops. There's too many paper. Here it is. It's the classic boy bag. I was gonna go for the chevron style, but I figured my first boy bag, might as well get like the very first one. I opted for the silver one because the gold one, I'm not sure, but I like the color of this better and how it looked. Like I can probably wear flip-flops with this bag and still look very casual. The other one seems super dressy looking, but this is it. This is the medium boy bag. And it has another cover here. And there you go. She told me to just put the wrapper, not wrapper, but paper bag inside so that it will retain its shape, which I didn't do with my GST. So my GST is more like, I don't know, stretched now. But this is what I got in Paris. It was super easy to do the VAT refund. I wanted to write like a blog post about it, but we'll see. But this is what I got. Thanks for watching.